Soft punch kick starting on the B1. Midnight hour and the shift is done. Wet pavement shining under sodium light. Korean underpass structure in the night. Clear male vocal cutting through the space. Straight into the verse at a steady pace. Round sub bass pulsing on the floor. Raindrops hidden by the iron door. Relaxed two-step moving in the stereo field. Asphalt surface with a water shield. Empty sidewalk where the footsteps tread. Neon reflection in the drainage pool. 86 tempo keeping it cool. Circuit running through the concrete zone. Clean electric guitar, picking in the mix. Digital clock showing numbers at the fixed. Direct Billy Collins standing far and near. Overhead traffic humming on the deck. Water dripping down the concrete spec. Sub bass rolling through the floor level grid. Covering the space where the shadow hid. Relaxed two-step moving in the stereo field. Asphalt surface with a water shield. Empty sidewalk where the footsteps tread. Neon reflection in the drainage pool. 86 tempo keeping it cool. Circuit running through the concrete zone. Wide stereo space with the ambient sound. Rainwater pooling on the underground. Tight snare drops back on the exact beat. Pacing the dimensions of the empty street. 86 tempo locking in place. Sound wave echoing through the empty space. Wet pavement, neon reflection. Underpass quiet, system idle. Rain keeps falling on the sidewalk. Every step becomes a sound. Neon colors on the pavement, breaking softly all around. The city's wearing different faces. Every window tells a story. I don't need to know them all, just enough to keep me moving. Some nights feel heavy, some nights feel clear. Tonight I'm somewhere in between. The rain won't stay, neither will this feeling. Clouds keep moving, even when I can't see it. The rain won't stay, morning finds a way. Every drop reminds me nothing lasts forever. Passing under quiet rooftops. The air is cooler than before. Every puddle holds another sky. I've never noticed till tonight. The streets don't ask me questions, they simply let me walk. Sometimes silence says enough without a single word. No perfect answers, no perfect plan, just another evening learning who I am. The rain won't stay, the night keeps breathing, every corner hides another reason to believe again. The rain won't stay, I'll keep walking slow, every road ahead is waiting more than I could know. Maybe every rainy night isn't meant to be sad. Maybe it's only asking us to slow down, to notice the sound of our own footsteps again. The rain won't stay, the sky will change, every ending carries the start of something else. The rain won't stay, neither will the doubt. We'll follow this quiet street until the morning finds me. The rain grows softer, the night moves on. So do I. Rain falls softly on my shoulders, every step has its own sound. Empty streets are glowing slowly as the night wraps all around. I don't mind the quiet moments, they've been waiting here for me. Somewhere in this gentle weather I can finally breathe. The world moves fast, but not tonight. I'm finding comfort in fading lights. Neon rain washes over everything, leaving only honest colors shining underneath my feet. Neon rain, I don't need to run. Every drop reminds me there's beauty in becoming. Storefront windows blur together like a dream I almost knew. Passing strangers fade like echoes, lost inside the midnight blue. Every rooftop holds the rainfall, every breeze feels soft and new. Even silence has a heartbeat when the city soaked through. No destination, no perfect view, just this little moment pulling me through. Neon rain keeps me wide awake, every bottle paints another sky I never thought I'd see. Neon rain, the air feels light, every lonely evening can become a Gemini. I used to think I had to find a reason for every feeling tonight. I simply let the rain stay a little longer. Neon rain, neon rain, neon rain, the night unfolds, every quiet street is telling stories never told. Neon rain, I walk until the dawn, knowing every step I take is leading me along. Rain, oh, 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 rain on the pavement, dreams in the distance, I'm still walking. Rain has left its mark behind, silver lines across the street. Every shadow moves in rhythm, every heartbeat finds the beat. Underneath the passing headlights, nothing feels too far away. This old underpass is humming like it knows my name. No one tells the night when it's time to end, so I'll stay here a little longer. Stay until morning, don't let this feeling fade. Some nights were never meant to disappear too soon. Stay until morning, the city's breathing slow. Every drop that's left behind still catches every glow. Concrete walls return my footsteps, like another voice beside me. Neon melting into puddles, painting stories at my feet. The air is cool, the road is empty. Somehow everything feels clear. Funny how the quiet moments say the things we need to hear. One more block, one more song. Tonight is exactly where I belong. Stay until morning, let the rhythm flow. Every corner keeps another memory. Only midnight knows. Stay until morning, no reason left to run. Somewhere in this rainy silence I've already won. The world gets quieter after midnight, not because it stops, but because you finally hear what's been there all along. Stay until morning, the sky can wait a while. I'll keep walking through these echoes with an easy smile. Stay until morning, until the darkness fades. Some nights don't change your whole life, they simply remind you you're alive. Stay until morning. Stay until morning. One more step, one more song. Minimal garage beat starting on the beat one. Blue hour arriving when the day is done. Baritone poking the microphone space. Walking down the avenue at a steady pace. Ambient guitar notes hanging in the chill. After rain puddles sitting calm and still. Warm bass rolling on the lowest floor. Footsteps echoing near a locked store. UK garage rhythm moving through the night. Street lights casting down a pale blue light. Empty streets stretching out ahead. Concrete surface where the feet have tread. Modern synth pad floating in the track. No cars passing and no turning back. 88 tempo, keeping time. Soft pad texture filling up the stereo field. Wet asphalt surface with a glossy shield. Natural vocal tone cutting through the air. Corner building standing square and bare. Digital watch showing hours on the face. Pacing through the open public space. Minimal drum pattern keeping a tight grip. Shadows hiding where the corners hid. UK garage rhythm moving through the night. Street lights casting down a pale blue light. Empty streets stretching out ahead. Concrete surface where the feet have tread. Modern synth pad floating in the track. No cars passing, no turning back. 88 tempo, keeping time. White stereo space with the lingering haze. Walking through the end of modern days. Beat drops backing on the downbeat line. Basing out the rhythm in the dark design. Sound waves bouncing off the brick wall. Microphone catching every footfall. Blue hour after rain, empty streets.
The rain is softer than before, like it's learning how to whisper. Every window wears a silver glow. Every corner feels brand new. I pull my jacket a little closer. Let the cool night find my skin. The world keeps rushing somewhere else, but I don't have to follow. Every heartbeat finds its place in this quiet, open space. When the rain slows down, I can hear myself again. Every little drop reminds me nothing has to be explained. When the rain slows down, the whole night starts to breathe. Every step becomes a promise, waiting quietly for me. A lonely bus rolls through the distance, leaving ripples in the light. Someone laughs beyond an alley, then the silence comes back home. The wind carries summer's ending, just enough to make me smile. Some goodbyes don't break your heart, they simply change the season. No destination, no reason why, only the rhythm of tonight. When the rain slows down, the streets begin to shine. Every reflection tells a story that somehow feels like mine. When the rain slows down, the air becomes so clear. I find a little more of myself with every moment here. Maybe peace isn't something we discover. Maybe it's something that quietly returns on nights just like this. When the rain slows down, I'll keep walking on. Every breath becomes a melody I've known all along. When the rain slows down, the sky lets go at last, and I leave this quiet evening a little lighter than the past. The rain grows distant, the breeze keeps calling. I keep walking.
Driving drum grooves, starting on the beat one. End of the shift and the day is done. Windows down on the highway lane. Tires rolling over asphalt stain. Baritone cutting through the air. City skyline in the rearview mirror glare. Modern synth line looping in the ear. Blue hour color becoming clear. UK garage rhythm pressing on the floor. Deep bass shaking up the cabin door. Electronic pulse in the driving wheel. Infrastructure turning into steel. Neon towers flashing in the window frame. No traffic moving, no one to blame. Moving through the electronic haze. Electric guitar holding in the space. Suburban lights passing at a steady pace. Natural delivery direct and low. Dashboard glowing with the audio. 96 tempo ticking on the dash. Overpass concrete in a gray flash. Atmospheric pad rolling in the rear. Clear vocal tracks hitting loud and near. UK garage rhythm pressing on the floor. Deep bass shaking up the cabin door. Electronic pulse in the driving wheel. Infrastructure turning into steel. Neon towers flashing in the window frame. No traffic moving, no one to blame. Moving through the electronic haze. Driving groove drops back on the downbeat, pacing the speed of the empty street. Engine running at a steady hum, waiting for the final beat to come. Blue out. Connection off. Midnight rain is almost over. Only echoes fill the air. Footsteps dancing through the tunnel, like they know I'm getting there. Water shining on the concrete. Every color comes alive. The city's found another rhythm, hidden after closing time. Every shadow moves, every heartbeat stays. The night keeps pulling me a different way. Underpass echo, follow with my name. Every step keeps bouncing back, but nothing sounds the same. Underpass echo, moving with the beat. Rain and rhythm meet together underneath my feet. The breeze slips through the empty walls, cool enough to clear my mind. Nothing waiting at the finish, nothing pressing from behind. The pavement holds 1,000 colors, never asking where they've been. Maybe every rainy midnight hides another place to begin. No destination, no perfect view, only this moment breaking through. Underpass echo, everything feels light. Every rhythm finds another pulse inside the quiet night. Underpass echo, eventually opens. Every echo finds the silence where it belongs. Maybe that's why I keep walking. Underpass echo, rain has washed the ground, leaving little pieces of the sky scattered all around. As echo, one more breath to take. The night is still unfolding with every step I make. The rhythm fades, the rain is gone. I'm still moving. Water on the concrete, gray and cold. Sodium lights flicker on the iron mold. Underpass ceiling, heavy steps on the floor. Rain hitting metal by the shutter store. The direct beat starts, no intro in the air. Kick drum and tight snare, hit the square. Walking down the alley where the neon drifts. Concrete surface under rubber grips. Two-step rhythm, bassline in the chest. Sub bass rolling through the concrete test. No frequency wave on the asphalt floor. Frequency sliding under the iron door. Neon lights reflected in the water pool. Street level temperature dropping cool. We're moving through the rhythm guitar lines cutting through the vapor haze. Digital clock marking out the days. Clear vocal delivery through the dark. Footprints tracking past the watermark. Clock hits 2 on the digital display. Traffic lights changing from red to gray. Underpass echo bouncing off the wall. Microphone catching every single call. Two-step rhythm, bassline in the chest. Sub bass rolling through the concrete test. No frequency wave on the asphalt floor. Frequency sliding under the iron door. Neon lights reflected in the water pool. Street level temperature dropping cool. Moving through the rhythm stereo space with the ambient hum. Waiting for the downbeat to become tight. Snare returns on the X and B pace. In the dimensions of the empty street. 1, 2, step into the zone. Metal structure standing all alone.
Everything feels different now. After the rain has gone away, the streets are holding little mirrors, catching pieces of the night. A cool breeze moves between the buildings, bringing silence close to me. Nothing has to happen next, this moment is enough. Slowly, the world begins again, quietly. So do I. In the air after rain, I can finally breathe. Every step feels lighter than the one before. In the air after rain, nothing asked for more. Just an leaves behind the clearest skies and the softest nights. In the air after rain, I'll keep walking on. Every breath reminds me a new day has already begun. In the air after rain, the world feels wide again. Sometimes healing arrives as quietly as the rain leaves. The breeze keeps moving. The night keeps breathing. So will I. Five more minutes, that's what you said. So I'm counting headlights passing by instead. Rain is fading from the overpass roof, leaving little diamonds on my shoes. The last train rolls across the sky, a quiet sound, and it's gone. Everybody's heading somewhere, I'm still waiting here. Maybe you'll turn the corner, maybe you'll call my name. Either way, I'm not leaving yet. I'll wait 5 more minutes, maybe 5 after that. Some nights are worth holding on to, even if they never last. I'll wait 5 more minutes, watching midnight breathe. Funny how a little hope can be enough for me. The air still smells like summer rain. The tunnel keeps the cool inside. A passing taxi paints the walls yellow for a second, then goodbye. I smile without a reason, checking my phone again. Not because I'm worried, just because I can. Maybe you'll be late, maybe you won't come, but somehow this quiet night already feels like it gave me something. I'll wait 5 more minutes just to see what happens next. Some stories don't begin exactly when we expect. I'll wait 5 more minutes until the night moves on. If you finally show up, you'll find me right where I said I'd be. 5 more minutes, that's all I need.
Every night I take the shortcut, same old walls, the same white lights. Footsteps drawing little rhythms in the middle of the night. Someone passes without looking, another story slips away. Everybody has somewhere to be, I'm just enjoying that delay. Nothing has to happen, nothing has to change. Still this place feels different every single day. Same way home never feels the same. Every little moment writes a different page. Same way home, I know every turn. Still the quiet keeps surprising me with something I haven't learned. fluorescent lights keep humming softly, painting silver on the floor. Outside the city, still awake. Down here it's something more. The air is cool against my skin. The tunnel breathes a slower pace. Sometimes all I really need is one familiar place. No crowded rooms, no flashing signs, just steady steps, keeping perfect time. Same way home, one more midnight walk. Every echo of my footsteps feels like quiet conversation. Oh, same way home, the hours disappear somewhere underneath the city. Everything feels clear. It's funny how the places we stop noticing become the places we remember most. Years later, same way home, I'll take it once again. Not because it's faster, but because it feels like me. Same way home, another ordinary night becomes another memory before the morning light. Same way home. Ooh, one more walk, one more night. You smiled first, I looked away, like we had all night anyway. Cool air dancing through the tunnel, carrying the words we didn't say. Every step falls into rhythm, nothing feels too fast tonight. Somewhere above the city rushes, we're suspended in the light. No countdown, no goodbye. Let's stay here a little while. Meet me halfway, don't let this moment run. Some nights are made for slowing down before they're gone. Meet me halfway, right here where we stand. You don't have to say forever, just reach for my hand. The walls reflect our quiet laughter, like they're keeping it alive. Streetlights spill across the entrance, painting gold into the night. Maybe we'll forget the details, maybe time will blur the view, but I'll remember how this evening felt so easy next to you. No perfect words, no grand design, just your heartbeat close to mine. Meet me halfway, the night is still awake. Every second feels like something we don't have to chase. Meet me halfway before the morning starts. Sometimes all it really takes is two